The landscape of education is continually evolving, and artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of this transformation. AI is no longer a distant concept. It's an integral part of our present and future learning environments. This session will explore key AI tools poised to make a significant impact by 2025, offering practical applications for both educators and learners. AI can revolutionize how we develop and access learning materials. Imagine tools that generate lesson plans or quiz questions instantly, tailored to specific learning objectives. AI-powered platforms can summarize complex texts or create engaging multimedia presentations from simple prompts. These tools help teachers save valuable time in preparation and allow students to grasp concepts more quickly. They also excel at curating vast amounts of information, presenting relevant resources tailored to specific topics or student needs. This ensures access to up-to-date and diverse learning content. One of AI's greatest strengths is its ability to adapt to individual needs. Adaptive learning platforms use AI to identify knowledge gaps and recommend personalized learning paths for each student. They provide immediate, targeted feedback on assignments, helping students understand their mistakes in real time. For teachers, AI can automate the grading of objective questions and even assist with rubric-based assessments. This frees up valuable time for more qualitative feedback and one-on-one interaction. Personalized learning fosters deeper understanding and greater student engagement. AI tools can significantly streamline daily tasks for everyone in education. Virtual assistants can manage schedules, set reminders, and organize digital files efficiently. Transcription services powered by AI convert lectures or discussions into searchable text, greatly aiding note-taking and review. For students, AI can help organize research, create study guides, and even suggest optimal study times based on their learning patterns. Teachers can leverage AI for administrative tasks like email management or data analysis, reducing their workload. These efficiencies allow more focus on core teaching and learning activities. AI can also enhance how students and teachers interact and collaborate. AI-powered discussion forums can summarize key points from conversations, making it easier to follow complex threads. Language translation tools break down communication barriers in diverse classrooms. Interactive AI tutors can provide additional support outside of class hours, offering explanations and practice problems. These tools create more dynamic and accessible learning environments, encouraging active participation from all students. They can also facilitate group projects by suggesting roles or tracking contributions. As we embrace these powerful AI tools, it's crucial to consider their ethical implications. Issues of data privacy, algorithmic bias, and academic integrity must be addressed thoughtfully. Responsible AI use involves transparency and critical evaluation of its outputs. By 2025, AI will be even more integrated into educational ecosystems, becoming an indispensable partner for both teaching and learning. It promises to make education more accessible, personalized, and efficient. Understanding and adapting to these advancements will be key for success. The future of education is bright with the promise of AI. From content creation to personalized learning, and from boosting productivity to fostering engagement, AI tools offer transformative potential. We encourage you to explore these emerging technologies and integrate them thoughtfully into your teaching and learning practices. Embrace the opportunities AI presents to enhance your educational journey.